Nakpunar.com is New Jersey's top packaging supplier, catering to a wide range of local businesses, including distilleries, honey companies, jam jar companies, and candle companies. We also serve individual customers seeking quality packaging solutions at wholesale prices. With no minimum order limits, businesses of all sizes can easily find the packaging they require. Customers can take advantage of our local sales events and warehouse deals for additional savings. Our competitive shipping costs ensure that our products can reach customers worldwide, including U.S. territories and APO/FPO addresses. Elevate your brand with our premium food-grade and liquid-friendly packaging options, complete with convenient lids. Whether you're a large corporation or a small business, Nakpunar.com has the packaging solutions you need to showcase your products in the best possible light. Our commitment to quality and affordability makes us your premier packaging supplier. Whether you're looking to package honey, jam, candles, or spirits, we have the jars, bottles, and craft supplies to meet your needs. Shop with us today and discover why so many businesses trust Nakpunar.com for all their packaging needs.